Welcome to Dhobi Ghat Laundry in Mumbai.
So how many people working here?
Just a minute.
Oh, lovely.
Okay. Okay, sorry. Start.
It started.
Started.
Yeah.
Starting cut.
No.
No. This picture is not.
Okay, no, I'm filming. It's a film. This is insane. So dangerous. Going off again. Off again. Ollie. Going inside the Dhobi Ghat, walking on a roof, and I hope I bloody don't fall through it. It's safe. The things I do. Look at all this washing. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh my goodness. This is wow. Look at this place.
Family.
Huh?
Your family.
Family. What's your name?
Mustafa Sheikh.
Mustafa. You.
Mustafa Sheikh.
So Mustafa's taking me up to the roof in Dhobi Ghat, and I was a bit reluctant to climb up, but actually now looking at it, it's quite amazing with the buildings up here. Look at this place, look at the wires on the ground, the litter, bags of clothes sitting around, kids on the roof, washing everywhere. Place is just mental. I didn't expect to get a private tour of Dhobi Ghat, but I did. And it's insane. Mustafa. I'm not sure about walking on this roof because there's actually people under there doing the washing. It would just be my luck to go through the roof in India.
Okay.
Yeah, it's good. He's going down first. Look, there's bags of clothes at the bottom. Wow! This is where they boil the water. This is just incredible. Look at this. Wow. And it's boiling, and then they take.
Chemical, soda, caustic.
Wow, can't be good for your
Chemical.
throat. No good.
Chemical, soda, caustic. Take photo. Come.
Well, I think my camera might melt.
Madam, this area is very big area, it's unique area. Inside minimum 5 to 6,000 Dhobi people working. And all Indian washermen community person live and work.
आवाज बंद कर.
Here is this spot is very famous. Here is all Indian washermen community, all UP, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, other state person, and Hindu, Muslim all together. And here is morning 4 AM to 1 PM is continue working time.
Wow.
And here is all contract basis business. Some people hotel contract, hospitals, laundry, all over Mumbai clothes inside. Here is it's very unique area.
Yes, I see.
Yeah. Morning time is very nice location. Every person is busy. Here is very hard working families. Here is Indian washerman community is very hard working family. Here is all family work. Here is men, women, all is washing work here. It's very nice place.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Welcome to Dhobi Ghat
Mustafa.
Laundry.
Thank you.